notification overloaded? Mute everyone now and regain control of your time and attention with just few simple steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn off everyone tag on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings to access the Detail option. In the Settings menu, scroll to the Preferences section and you would want to select Notification to view your notification customization option. Inside the Notification menu, look for the Tag section. This section allows you to control how to receive alerts related to being tagged or included in mention. Locate the option for a batch mention and toggle the switch to disable the notification when the everyone tagged is used in a group. Exit the settings and enjoy a quieter notification experience. So this is how to turn off the everyone tag on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.